Okay, let's see how we can use for each loops in JavaScript. So let's have a variable. We have shopping list. Yes, we're using the shopping list again. So here we have an array of all the items we want to buy, like milk, we have bread, we have let's say eggs, we have bananas, because I love bananas. So here we can have shopping list dot for each. This is how you write a for each loop in JavaScript, and I'll explain what's going on here in a second. So we have, let's say, item, and then we have console.log. Again, we're going to use the template literal, so we'll do got. We'll have the item in the list. What's going on here? So first, we're creating a variable called shopping list. This contains an array. So this is basically just like a regular list you write on pen and paper or on your phone, storing all the things you want to buy when you go to the grocery stores, like milk, bread, eggs, bananas, and so on. And here we have the for each loop. So this is basically looking through each of the items in your shopping list, which is this array. So this item represents individual elements. So for example, the milk, the bread. So it's basically telling JavaScript to look through the items individually. So it checks for the first one. Oh, this is the first one on our list, which is milk. Okay. Then bread. Okay. Then eggs. So here, after we check the items individually, we would now console this out. So we have got item in the list. So this is basically like the grocery store. You take the first item, which is milk. You write it down that, oh, I've gotten milk. Then you check your list again. Oh, what else? We need bread. Okay. Go to the bread area, get the bread, write it down that, oh, I've gotten bread. What else? Okay, we need eggs. Go there, get it, write it down till you get to the end of your list, which is bananas. And if we console this out, so if we log this out, oh, we have let's see, node index.js. We have, okay, we've gotten milk. So we see the item, the individual items. So it checks, oh, we've gotten milk. Okay, what else? Oh, we need bread. Okay, grab the bread. We've gotten the bread, we've gotten the eggs, we've gotten the bananas in the list. So we've gotten everything in the list. So for each is useful when we are trying to go through each item on our list, which is the array, and then do something on each element in the list, just like we did here with the milk, bread, eggs, bananas. Once we check them, check each item that we've gotten them, we write it down, which is the console.log. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment. I love hearing your feedback on how I can improve. And if you know anyone who is struggling to understand for each loops in JavaScript, you can share this video with them. It would really be helpful to them, and I would so much appreciate it because it helps me reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.